Attached to the evaporator, the defrost thermistor detects evaporator temperature and sends temperature signals to the electronic control board. The electronic control board uses the defrost thermistor signals to control the defrost heater during the automatic defrost cycle. If the defrost thermistor fails, the control board won't control the defrost heating element correctly, resulting in cooling problems in the refrigerator. If the defrost thermistor isn't working, replace it using the steps in this video. The defrost thermistor is a component of the freezer harness in this refrigerator. In other refrigerators, it may not be. Before you begin, wear work gloves to protect your hands. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Remove the spacer in the freezer shelf. Push the shelf to the left to release the right side from the holes. Pull the shelf out of the freezer. Remove the mounting screws from the evaporator cover. Pull the top down and unplug the evaporator fan wire harness. Disconnect the green ground wire and the ice maker wire harness. Pull the cover out of the freezer. Unplug the wires from the defrost heater. Release the defrost bimetal thermostat and defrost thermistor from the evaporator coils. Unplug the freezer wire harness from the back wall and remove it. Plug the new freezer wire harness into the back wall receptacle. Attach the defrost thermistor and defrost bimetal thermostat to the evaporator. Connect the wires to the defrost heater. Reconnect the ice maker wire harness and ground wire. Reconnect the evaporator fan wire harness. Put the evaporator cover in position and reinstall the mounting screws. Push the shelf into the mounting holes. Slide the shelf to the right and reinstall the shelf spacer. Plug in the refrigerator to restore power.